Hello, everyone. My name is Jacques Arnould. I'm working as ethic advisor at CNES, the French space agency, since 20 years now. When I have the occasion to give a conference concerning space, one of the first questions is normally a question concerning astrobiology and religion, due to the fact that people know that I am not only ethic advisor, but also I have an education in theology, Catholic theology. And for a number of people, this question is very sensitive due to their own knowledge, their own faith. That's the reason I study this question for a long time now. And during the next seminar, I have the occasion to share with you some answers, some results concerning my own reflection. In the first part, I want only to underline the cultural relation between the two topics, between astrobiology and religion. We know that this question is not young in the history of Occidental culture, and in fact, we have some analogy and comparison between religious experience and what we name today extraterrestrial life, and sometimes also UFO. In the second time, I try to give some elements to answer a double question, an actual question. The question is, will aliens destroy religion if we discover extraterrestrial life in the future, or will aliens create a new religion? We don't have a definite answer to this question. But today we have some results, some data concerning the reaction of the actual religion owners, their reaction after a possible discovery of extraterrestrial life. And it's a clear debated question. In a third time, I want to make a connection between our subject, astrobiology and religion, and another question concerning science and religion, the question of evolution, especially with the very sensitive topic of creationism. Because in my mind, I think that if today creationism is a very debated question in our society, in Europe, and also in the United States, perhaps in the future, our astrobiological community will have the same difficulties with people around us, especially people with precise fundamentalist faith and position in a religion. And we have today to be very careful with two main questions. The question of the origin of life on Earth, and it's a question which belongs to the evolutionary theories and evolutionary biology. And we have the experience today of the debates with creationism, and this debate concern our own community of astrobiologists. And the second question is the question of plurality of life. And we know that this question is very old in the European culture, and we have also to remain a lot of lessons from the past to prepare the future. I mean, the future of the possible discovery of another form of life in the universe. In any case, my position is to prepare the debates between everyone in our societies, believer, non-believer, science, people educated in science and people non-educated in science. In fact, behind all this question of origin of life, plurality of world, the question is who we are. So I am waiting to share with you this moment of seminar next Tuesday. Bye.